Want a break from the ads? Watch this short video to receive 30 minutes of ad-free music. Skip.
Okay, this?
Next. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. Hey. Oh, come on. Dude, just pick a song.
With Spotify Premium, you can skip any song, anytime, even on mobile. Just don't let it go to your head.
run and hide, no. But as the light draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside of my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts.
Goblins from Mars, Brian knows. We glowed up, we glowed up, we glowed up. Yeah, we glowed up. Pulled up, tell 'em pull the curtain, roll 203. Got a fifth suburban, got foreign bitches that chef the German. That I want the break from, I need to learn. And they told us all that we did the pro. We sucked it up and we did the most. Now we taking over, we want the globe. So it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell them that we in their city, everybody shows up. And we are the glowed up. We are the glowed up. Boy, we are the glowed up. Hit the whip and I get to swerving. Spit legit, man, I'm sick for certain. I'll fix the shit that y'all bitches hurting. Y'all shit just distance, it get to working. I speak in cursive, my words are slurring. Chasing cheese, man, I've been a vermin. I'm in the cut, but I ain't a surgeon. I'm your favorite rapper, but the sicker version. This shit determined, so it's meant from sheep. I've been at work while y'all been asleep. I got $1 million down, it's not shit to me. 500,000's not a hit to me. Them people talking don't get to me. 1K to 2 is not a flip to me. And one day or two you'll all be hip to me. Cause I keep it hot below 6 degrees. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell them that we in their city, everybody shows up. And we are the glowed up. We are the glowed up. Boy, we are the glowed up. Everyone got shit to say. Everyone got shit to say. Man, everyone got shit to say. They told us that we never make it. Now we looking back and we laugh in their faces. I think of my man, I laugh at the past. I'm finally feeling like I went and made it. We are the glowed up. Boy, we are the glowed up. Yeah.